Integrating a Wealthfront traditional IRA into your financial planning strategy can be a smart move to secure your retirement savings. To get started, you need to understand what a traditional IRA is and how it works. A traditional IRA allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income for the year, and the money grows tax-deferred until withdrawal. First, you need to open a Wealthfront account if you haven't already. This involves providing some personal and financial information to create your profile. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Investment Options section and select the Traditional IRA option. You will be asked to fund your account, which can be done by transferring money from your bank or other financial institutions. Next, you need to choose your investment portfolio. Wealthfront offers a range of diversified portfolios that are tailored to your risk tolerance and financial goals. You can choose from a variety of low-cost index funds that cover different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. The key is to find a portfolio that aligns with your retirement objectives and risk appetite. After selecting your portfolio, you need to set up your contributions. You can choose to contribute a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, such as monthly or quarterly. You can also set up automatic contributions from your paycheck or bank account. It's essential to contribute as much as possible to maximize your retirement savings, especially if your employer offers matching contributions. Another important aspect of integrating a Wealthfront traditional IRA is to monitor and adjust your portfolio regularly. Wealthfront offers tax loss harvesting, which involves selling securities that have declined in value to offset gains from other investments. This can help minimize your tax liability and optimize your returns. Finally, it's crucial to understand the rules and regulations surrounding traditional IRAs. You can contribute up to a certain amount each year, and you must take required minimum distributions starting at age 72. You should also be aware of the potential penalties for early withdrawals, which can be avoided by waiting until you reach retirement age. In conclusion, integrating a Wealthfront traditional IRA into your financial planning strategy can be a straightforward process. By following these steps and understanding the key concepts, you can create a tax-efficient retirement savings plan that helps you achieve your long-term goals. Remember to contribute regularly, monitor your portfolio, and adjust as needed to ensure a secure and prosperous retirement.